welcome back to another delicious meal. This is my go-to.
No race today, no challenge.
No race, no challenge.
No.
It's just gonna be a chill mukbang, eating chats, and enjoying your go-to meal too.
Yes.
So what do you have, babe? What do you order almost every single day?
Well, other than chicken pad thai,
Yes.
which of course every person loves,
Yes.
I usually order this.
Pat kapao, which is stir-fried basil. You can get pork or chicken.
I usually get pork.
He usually gets pork. Minced pork.
Minced pork.
And then what else you got?
Papaya salad.
Yes, tam thai.
With one chili.
One chili.
One chili.
One chili.
And this is like almost like a candied beef.
Yes, candied beef jerky almost. Yeah. And I'm just peeling this egg. It
comes on a stick.
It comes on a stick like this. Very common on street food. This whole thing is 20 baht, which is $1. So what it is it's steamed first and then they grill it.
It's quite good.
Yeah.
And I also have these like candied sausages and my go-to egg omelet.
Minced pork egg omelet.
Delicious.
And then I have my usual papaya salad concoction, which is, it has noodles, it has papaya, it has veggies, it has pickled veggies, stink bean, like all sorts of good stuff in there. Sometimes they put Vietnamese sausages in there too, depending. But yeah, and then I got pork rinds, a bunch of vegetables, sticky rice. I also have these other like noodles up there too, but I'm not sure because
it's a lot of food.
It's a lot of food.
Yeah.
I'm peeling this right now so we don't waste time. You can go ahead and dig in.
There you go.
Go ahead.
I think I'm gonna go for my papaya first.
So hungry.
I know, I'm so hungry too.
Yeah. Oh, and I got sticky rice here if you want to.
And of course we also got
Thai iced tea.
Cafe Amazon.
Cafe Amazon.
Thai
And what
tea.
is this called?
I don't remember.
Cha nom yen.
Cha nom yen. Yes. Cha nom yen. It's hard to remember the Thai words after a length of time.
Oh. I'm gonna have sticky rice. I already washed my hands, so don't even worry about that.
Oh, one chili spicy.
First bite.
So good though.
I hope you can see it.
And that is a true concoction. She mixed like a couple things together. So good.
So good. Especially with fresh veggies.
Yeah. I love the papaya salad here. It's like, it's funny, you find like a certain place that you like it the best at, and it's just like, no, I'll wait, I'll go to that one.
Yeah. Because every restaurant makes it just a little bit different.
I guess that's their thing too.
And it's really hot today, so don't mind me.
Bear with us.
Bear with us.
That tomato had a black spot, so. Oh, this is so good.
So this is what this one looks like.
So good.
With a fried egg.
Usually I mix it all together, but it's a little hard in the takeout containers, so I will just make it per bite.
Oh, and it has clams too in here.
Oh.
See?
Oh yeah. I don't get that one because it's too spicy for me. Oh, pork.
And it has fermented fish sauce in here too. So.
That's the dark part, right?
So good.
I start to know my Thai spices.
One chili.
That's one chili too?
No.
Oh, mine. Yeah.
I want to show you guys up close what this one looks like.
And this one's no chili.
I'd stir it, but it's really full. Egg.
Egg. I'll have an egg.
Ooh.
Oh.
Do you want me to peel you a new one?
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Let's live on the edge. I've had these before, but I always forget.
So good. It's like so tasty. Because they put like seasoning already in there.
That's what the dark part in the bottom is there.
Want to try one of these?
Sure. Why not? Oh yeah. This is what we should take on the plane for the way home.
Oh yeah. But it's sticky. Eat it with rice, it's so good.
Wow.
It's two different kind of meat. This one's darker. I think it's pork. This is beef.
That is really good.
So good, right?
Very sugary.
I'm gonna use my hands.
Do it. Get the rice in there.
I don't know. Papaya salad tastes better when you use your hands. To me. That's my own opinion.
There you go. Finger food.
So good.
Yeah, I love the papaya salad.
It's like not the same when you make it at home, you know?
Yours is pretty good to me, but I also didn't grow up with it, so.
Yeah. But this one is pretty basic, but this. It's good too. Like when I make it at home.
It's really good.
But
Yeah.
it's just different when someone else makes it for you, you
That's
know?
true.
Kind of like when you're cooking for a party. You eat less because you're the one making it.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Plus, these people, that's all they do every day. All day. It's like they've refined their papaya salad mixture that their mother and taught them, that their mother taught their mother.
Or they buy out the recipe from somewhere else.
Or that too.
But this is so good, especially when you're like so hungry.
It took us a little while to go run around to the different places and get all the different food, that's why. Well worth it though,
Oh yeah.
because then you get exactly what you want.
It's worth the wait. Papaya salad, you gotta eat with eggplant. It tastes so good. And it tastes like nothing, but when you eat it with this, it just tastes better.
That's why they call them eggplants, because it still looks like an egg there. Compared to the eggplants at home, they start out like that and then grow bigger.
I thought you just made that up.
No, I didn't. That's why. Yeah. I could have and you would have not known, but then someone would have called me out.
'Cause I'm like, really?
So many different kinds of eggplant.
Want more of this?
I'm okay, thank you. Enjoy
Ooh.
some sausage, or are you good?
I'm good.
Sugar sausage.
I'll have one.
There you go.
It's like sweet Chinese sausage.
It's very good.
How was the egg? Did you try it?
Yeah, really good.
Good.
Can't go wrong with the omelet. My favorite, though, is the papaya salad.
The rooster.
Don't mind the birds in the background.
I was like,
you can see them.
I was like, what is that?
As long as it's not a snake.
Yeah, because we're outside. That's why I'm like, what is that sound?
Yeah. A snake or a giant spider.
Yeah. I'm like extra warm today.
It's getting quite hot out. But
And also like I'm eating something super spicy too.
it's strange being in winter. And it's
Hot.
sweating hot.
I know. My oh, are you talking about like winter in general or?
Well, yeah. 'Cause
My sister sent us a picture this morning. She went somewhere and like it's snowing and
down to a
stuff.
Christmas village in Washington State.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And it's
And
like
there was a lot of snow.
and I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I mean, I miss it, but I don't, you know?
Yeah.
I'll probably miss it and then go there for like a couple days. I'll be like, yeah, I've had enough. I like the heat.
I like visiting the snow.
Yeah, me too.
You go there, you play in it, you drive, you go home.
Yeah.
Trying to commute in the snow is not fun.
Oh, I know.
They sent me a picture of them driving in the snow, and I was just like, oh. Roads are covered, super slippery. It's like, oh,
That's
man.
like the worst, though.
The worst. Yeah, it's terrible. My favorite. That papaya salad.
This is sunflower sprout. Tastes like bean sprout. It's really good.
I'll try some of that.
It's really good when you have a bite of papaya salad.
Okay.
And then you eat that. It's hard to get to the one on the bottom now. It's good, right?
Yep. It tastes just like sprouts. It's like we have so much food we couldn't even fit it on the plate. I had to leave this one in its container. How's the carrots?
Really good.
Those are good carrots. I feel like more flavorful.
Sweet. Organic. All the veggies here are organic. This is what I love about it.
Yeah, there's no pesticides and stuff like that.
You go to the market and they're just like older lady, grandmas selling it. It's like maybe 20 bunch of veggies, and because they grow in the back, you know, in the backyard, and that's what they do. Go to the market and sell some fresh veggies, organic veggies, and it's so good for you, so healthy.
And so fresh. That's why things are like, have that more of a taste. This is also, I'd say, my favorite place to get Thai iced tea.
At Cafe Amazon.
Cafe Amazon. There's one other place that's really good too, but Cafe Amazon is our go-to.
Yeah. Oh, like the one in the market, you mean?
The one,
Which one?
the one with that sells that brand that you were like, oh, you should try this one. It's the brand of Thai iced tea. Starts with a C.
Yeah.
That one's really good too. But Cafe Amazon is everywhere. It's almost like a Starbucks here.
I was gonna say it's comparatively to a Starbucks.
Yeah.
Thai Starbucks.
And there's lots of Starbucks here too.
Lots.
Yeah.
But
Well, in Bangkok, I should say.
yeah.
Yeah.
Starbucks is typical like coffee lattes and stuff like that. They sell Thai iced tea too, but it's not the same. It's more creamy.
She doesn't like the creamy. I like the creamy.
I like the tea taste more so.
Oh, it's a good sausage.
Are you sad we're leaving soon?
I am.
I am too. I don't want to leave. I do, but I don't.
Yeah, it's a double-edged sword. It's like you want to get back to your more normal routine, which we do have in Bangkok now.
In Bangkok, yeah. We got a place there. I can do my regular, like, exercise in the morning.
Yeah. Here, there's no gym. There's no, like, regularity, it seems. But then everywhere has its advantages and disadvantages. Here, it's, like, so much easier, so much calmer. Like, you know, everybody knows each other. Yeah.
Everyone knows each other. Whatever you want, they'll find it for you. Like, we've been looking for honeycomb
For a long time.
for a long time. One, it's hard to find because it's not in season. It's just getting there right now. And then so, I don't know if we're going to be able to find them or not. But
at least you can put the word out here.
yeah, exactly. It's like here, oh, I'm looking for honeycomb. We're like, do you think you'll be able to find it for us? And there's like, you know, whoever wants to look will look for it. And
But Bangkok is just like,
yeah.
like, I love metropolitan cities, like,
Yeah, I do too, to a certain extent.
to a certain extent. But some people can't stand it, like her mom's husband. He's like, oh, I don't like Bangkok. I can't stand it there. And I'm just like, well, I get it, because it is busy, it's congested, there's lots of pollution compared to here, but you also have amazing food, which is more, I should say, more diverse, because there's so many more cultures.
You can still find whatever you want, whatever you're looking for in Bangkok, in the big city. But it's just
sure.
harder, further.
The further out you go,
You know.
because it's more like this is the countryside basically. So it'll be sad to get back, and it'll be nice.
Yeah.
But I think I'll definitely be sad going home.
Yes, going home.
Oh.
Well, I don't even want to think about that. Don't say that. I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. But
But what are you to do?
we can always come back.
Maybe next time we'll try and come back with your sister and the kids.
I mean, they really wanted to come this time.
Oh,
Like,
so badly.
last minute she was looking for tickets and like, but because, you know, they found tickets, but they were seated in separate like seats. So it's like, well, how do you travel with two kids?
Yeah.
And sitting-
It's too hard over Christmas and
I
New
know.
Year's. Like,
You can't.
you can't. It's too expensive.
Like, you
Everyone's
have to plan. But if you're doing it last minute, good luck.
Yeah.
Plus, they got school too. Like, it's just everything all together.
We're fortunate that we're able to get away for so long.
I know. And a lot of you guys are like, are you guys okay? Why are you traveling there for so long? We're like, yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good.
We're good. Yeah. We'll be home sometime.
Yeah. Just escaping the winter. Like,
Yeah.
you would be upset if we went home and it starts to snow.
I'd be mad.
You'll be like, babe, let's go.
I was hoping we would be here when it snowed,
But it didn't.
but it didn't.
It's still
just been
cold.
raining in
Cold
Canada.
and rainy, yeah.
Yeah. In our part, at least. Everywhere else it's been snowing, but
Oh, yeah.
not in
But it's still
BC.
cold and like gloomy and like
Windy, miserable,
windy,
rainy.
miserable, and like
But at least there's no snow.
there's no snow.
Yeah, it sucks when you're stranded because of the snow. Because we get like stuck.
I know, but like our stuck. It's not comparatively to like other people's stuck.
True.
Like Alberta and stuff stuck.
But they're prepared for it though. That's the thing.
I guess so. I guess it's kind of like a place where it never snows.
It never snows.
And then it snows. We're
Yeah.
like, what do we do? What
Yeah.
do we do? What do we do?
Yeah. Like they have hardly any snow removal equipment. Like Alberta, it's like, man, they're so good. It's like it's cleaned right away. Oh, no, someone else more of these carrots.
Yeah.
So crunchy.
This was such a good lunch. Oh my gosh. I can literally, well, I do, whenever I have a chance, eat this every day. And you know, in Bangkok, this is different. They don't make it like this. They don't make it like here for some reason. Because Bangkok is central, and this is like
Isan?
Isan, Northeastern food like style. So it's a little bit hard. Are you ready for the dessert?
Oh, sure. I'm always ready for dessert.
So I don't know if for those of you who didn't watch my grandpa's 90th birthday party, this has been in the fridge for. This lasts a long time in the fridge because it's just steamed rice and
Banana.
banana.
So good.
In Thai, it's called kapat tom, and it's got sticky rice, and it's got coconut milk in there. This is what it looks like. It's soft and chewy.
It is delicious.
And sticky and delicious.
Don't mind me. I eat it all in one bite.
You can if you want to.
Oh,
Like, it's so filling, but it's so good. It's like dessert.
that night I probably ate about 7 or 8 of these. Like
I was gonna say 10.
maybe 10. I kept going back for more. Yeah, they're so good. So good.
And then
The banana adds to it so much.
it's definitely super filling.
Super filling.
And then I bought this.
As with all like rice desserts.
You could eat this as a meal.
Yeah.
And then there's this,
a very sweet meal.
which I bought today. It's a different sort of. Ah!
And what are these?
This one is my mom's favorite.
Oh,
It's made out of it's like clear tapioca,
oh, that's
and
cute.
it's got mung bean filling.
Oh,
Try it to see if you like it.
yeah, I probably wouldn't get that again. But
It's more savory, this one. Because
see, I have a sweet tooth, so I want things sweet. That's why I don't usually like bean desserts. That's why it's so surprising I like rice desserts, but it's filled with coconut milk. Yeah, the bean. Back to the bean.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, so good.
so good. Well, that was so good.
I'm so full. But I can still drink more.
Because we were so hungry, too, at the same time. Well, anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this mukbang. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Mwah.
Bye-bye. Now, let's go get a blizzard. Just kidding.